One of the most common questions I get from high school students and parents is, how do I build a career in finance? Hi everyone, I'm Jayasuriya. I'm an academic counselor who helps students with academic and career opportunities in India and abroad. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's start with the image that most people have in mind when they hear finance. Suits, flashy cars, stock markets, and billion-dollar deals, thanks to web series and movies. Well, is it all real? Partly yes, but mostly exaggerated. Because finance is a much broader street and not everyone works on the Wall Street. So in this video, let's actually explore what careers in finance look like, what skills you need, what you should study in high school and college, what jobs are out there, and what can you expect to earn. This video is especially for high school students, college students, and parents who are trying to guide their children. So let's dive in. What do people actually do in finance? There are so many roles beyond stock trading. Let me give you a few examples. The first is investment bankers. These are professionals who help companies with mergers, acquisitions, and raising capital. For example, when Facebook bought WhatsApp, investment bankers helped structure the deal. Asset and wealth managers. They manage money for individuals, organizations, and even institutions. Think of celebrities or high-net individuals who hire professionals to grow their wealth. Next up is venture capitalists. Now, these are folks who invest in companies like Swiggy and Zomato, hoping to earn bumper returns if the company or startup idea. FinTech professionals. This is where finance meets technology. If you're building apps for mobile banking, robo-advisors, or even cryptocurrencies, you are in the FinTech world. And there are many other roles like corporate finance, retail banking, personal investment advisors, etc. So what skills do you need? First, you don't have to be genius at math, but you should be comfortable with crunching numbers, logical thinking, and have an interest in markets, money, and strategy. Soft skills like communication, analytical thinking, and strong decision-making skills are equally important. So if you're in high school, subjects like mathematics, economics, business studies, accounting, etc. are useful to pick. But even if you're from science background, you can still transition into finance later on. So what do you study for college, for career in finance? In India, many universities offer bachelor's programs in economics or BBA with a specialization in finance. Some of them are Shahid Sukhdev University, which is under Delhi University. It offers a BBA with finance specialization. There is IIM Indore, which offers a 5-year integrated program in management with strong focus in finance. And other universities are Ashoka University, Flame University, Shiv Nadar University, which all offer BSc Economics with a specialization in finance. If you're looking for study and build a career in finance abroad, the UK, US, Hong Kong, Singapore are all global financial hubs. They have great institutions which are well known for finance and offer fantastic job opportunities post-graduation. But what if you're not from finance background? You can still pursue finance even if you're from, let's say, engineering, life sciences, mathematics, or even literature. You can transition by writing certification exams like the CFA, which stands for Chartered Financial Analyst, or you can do a master's in finance or quantitative finance, or you can pursue an MBA after work experience. Many finance professionals actually come from non-finance background. It's all about building the right skills and experience. Now let's address the elephant in the room, money. Yes, finance can be very high-paying, especially roles in investment banking, private equity, and hedge funds. But it's extremely competitive. You need to have the right mix of good education, skills, and grit. Starting salaries in India range from 6 to 15 lakhs, but it can grow much higher with experience or if you transition into global roles. Finance is not just about making money, it's about managing it, growing it, and understanding broadly how economies, money markets work. It's a global industry that is evolving and offers excellent career paths for analytical and curious minds. So if you're someone who loves numbers, who has a passion for strategy and wants to solve real-world business problems, finance might just be the right fit for you. Hope this clarifies how to get into a finance career. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.